worship you with all of my life. I will worship you all of my strength, for you are my God. You are my Lord. More love, more power, more of you in my life. I will worship you with all of my life. I will worship you all of my strength, for you are my God. You are my Lord.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
I am reading from the Holy Bible according to St. Luke, chapter 6, verse 43 to 45. A tree and its fruit. A healthy tree does not bear bad fruit, nor does a poor tree bear good fruit. Every tree is known by the fruit it bears. You do not pick figs from thorn bushes or gather grapes from bamboo bushes. A good person brings good out of the treasure of good things in his heart. A bad person brings bad out of his treasure of bad things. For the mouth speaks what the heart is full of. This is the gospel of the Lord.
Good morning. Today's thought: education is the movement from darkness to light. Have a great day. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today's news: regular international flights to stay suspended till January 31st, 2022, amid Omicron scare. Prime Minister Modi pays last respect to General Rawat. 12 others killed in chopper crash. Singapore removed from the list of at-risk countries. COVID line: India's vaccination coverage crosses 131 crore doses. Farmers call off year-long protest as centre accepts demands. Thank you.
Words are the most powerful force available to humanity. I'm Shara Maria from grade 3. Friends, I would like to speak a few words about the importance of our words. Words are the means of communication, so every word has a meaning. Some words have different meaning according to the situation. Words are powerful. It can heal, it can harm, it can build, it can destroy a person. So we should be very careful about our words. I have seen some children calling their friends using nicknames. For example, Fatty, Blackie, Natty, Drumstick, etc. Do you think they like it? Absolutely not. Words should be kind, our words should be polite, our words should be encouraging. Then everyone will like you, everyone will love to speak to you, and everyone will become your friend. Thank you for your time. God bless.
जनगणमन अतिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्तर बंगाल विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलति करंगा तब शुभ नाम